Why you choose FITORON Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, 3-in-1 robotic vacuum cleaner with water tank, dustbin, brush. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Dual rotating brushes. The robotic floor cleaner has 2 auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Long battery life. This automatic vacuum cleaner robot has a high-capacity battery of 2000 mAh and a charging base. It could continuously work for 80 minutes to meet the cleaning needs from the living room to the bedroom. Strong suction and vacuum suction. Port equipped with 1500 PA strong suction, the robot vacuum cleaner can easily suck up breadcrumbs and confetti dust. Designed with 2 side brushes, this robot vacuum cleaner can help you clean thoroughly and avoid clogging and hair. 2.4-inch ultra-low profile. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2.4-inch thin low profile that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to fit under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. Dual rotating brushes. The robotic floor cleaner has 2 auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Vacuuming, sweeping, damp mopping all in one. Maintain gleaming hard floors. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks up furs, debris, dust and dirty easily and efficiently. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.